Hello students, I welcome you all. I hope you all good. Be safe in your home. Study daily and do your homework daily. Kindly follow all the session for all the subjects. This is the only way we are connected in the situation. So follow each and every session carefully. Okay, with the help of God, we move on to today's session. In our last class, we saw about application software. Right. Then, as we know, software is of two types, that is system software and the application software. Okay, till previous class we completed the system software. Then in today's class we move on to application software. The software that is designed to do a specific job and helps the user as a tool for easy operation is called application software. Application software runs at the background of a system software. Okay, it means we need an operating system to work efficiently for any application software. Okay, because operating system, it controls the overall activity of a computer system. It acts as an interface between the user and the hardware and enables them to work together. Okay, we need an operating system to work efficiently for any application software. Application software can be categorized into two types. They are special purpose application software and the general purpose application software. Okay, first we are going to see about special purpose application software. This type of application software are designed specially to carry out only one type of task. Okay, this application software are designed specially to carry out only one type of task, that is a specific task. It is used in banks, schools, hospitals, shops, etc. Okay, in banks we all know in banks they have to manage accounts, right? For accounting system like tally is used to perform account oriented task. Okay, they use tally. It is an example for the special purpose application software. And then if our school wants to computerize the result as per the personal specification of the school, then they create the software to fulfill the needs of a school. Okay, that can be operated only by school, not for others. Okay, hence this software is a specially designed software developed to serve the need of an organization or a company. It is called tailor-made software also. This type of application software are designed specially to carry out only one type of task, that is called special purpose application software. Then we move on to general purpose application software. General purpose application software can perform many related tasks. These softwares are used widely for all the tasks. Okay, that's why they say it as general purpose application software. These softwares are used widely for all the tasks. It is an application software developed to serve different purpose of the user. Is said to be a general purpose application software. Then the examples for general purpose application software is word processor. It is MS Word, Microsoft Word. This software is used to print a letter, a notice, memo or any application. It allows easy modification and editing in the typed document, we can easily edit or modify the document. Okay, we can easily edit or modify the document. Word processor is an example for the general purpose application software. And the next example is spreadsheet, that is MS Excel, Microsoft Excel. It is an application software package. It is used to work with tabular data. You all went to supermarket, right? There in the billing section, they use spreadsheet for billing. It has rows and columns. We can enter the values in that rows and columns. Okay, it also allows various calculations. Spreadsheet is an example for general purpose application software. It is used to work with tabular data. You all went to supermarket. Then in the billing section, they use spreadsheet for billing. It has rows and columns. Okay, there we can enter the values in that rows and columns. And also it allows various calculations. We can also make the data as a table. We can able to make the data as table, charts and the graphs. It looks so attractive while seeing the spreadsheet. Okay, that's why we use a spreadsheet. It is an example for the general purpose application software. And the next example is media player. Okay, we all have so much experience in that media player, right? It is an application software that allows user to play audio or video files. Okay, we can able to listen an audio or watching movies. Okay, here we can listen or watching movies. For this media player is used. Okay, we have lots of experience in that media player, right? When we want to watch a movies also, we use media player to watch that. Then the next example is Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is an application software that links users' computer with the internet. Okay, all computers have Internet Explorer. It is connected with internet. By using this, we can browse any site on the internet. Like Chrome, we all using Chrome, right? Google Chrome. When we want to search, we type a word in that search bar, right? It shows many links related to the word, right? We can able to see that when we type any word in that search box, it shows many link related to the word. Like that, Internet Explorer also displayed the related link that we want to search. Okay, it is also by an Chrome. Okay, it is also like as Chrome. Like when we want to search, we type a word in search box. It shows many links that is related to a word. Okay, then in today's class we saw about application software, right? Application software has two types, that is special purpose application software and the general purpose application software. Okay, special purpose application software are designed specially to carry out only one type of task, that is specific task. Okay, it is used in banks, schools, hospitals, shops, etc. Okay, then the general purpose application software, it is a software developed to serve different purpose of the user. Okay, general purpose application software can perform many related tasks. Okay, that's why it said as general purpose application software. The examples for general purpose software is word processor, There we can edit or modify the document easily. Then the spreadsheet. It has rows and columns. We can enter the values in that rows and columns and it allows various calculations. We can also make the data as a table, chart and the graphs. Okay, because it looks so attractive while seeing the spreadsheet when we use the charts, graphs. Okay. Then the next example is media player. It is an application software that allows user to play audio or video files. Okay, here we can listen to music, watching movies. Okay, for that use media player is used. Then the next is Internet Explorer. Like a Chrome, when we want to search, when we type a word in that search box, it shows a related links on the word. Right, like that. When we use an Internet Explorer, it also displayed the related link that we want to search. It is an application software that links user's computer with the internet. Okay, all computers have Internet Explorer. It is connected with internet. By using this, we can browse any site on the internet. Okay, then we recall it from the first. Okay, first we saw about a software. Right, first we saw about software. It has two types, right? That is system software and the application software. Okay, first, what is a software? A software is a set of programs provided to a computer for smooth running of its physical or hardware computers or hardware components. Okay, then it has two types, that is system software and the application software. Okay, what is system software? System software is a collection of programs that controls the overall operation and internal working of a computer system. It retrieves data from the input devices and transfer the procedure information to the output devices. Okay, then system software has three types, right? What are they? That is operating system, and utility software, right? And the last thing is language processor. Language processor. And then first, what is operating system? It controls the overall activities of a computer. It acts as an interface between the user and the hardware and enables them to work together. Then first, operating system is like a principal of a school, right? Principal has various responsibilities to manage the school, like supervising the students, the teachers and the workers, maintaining discipline, setting examination schedule, timetable, curriculum, attending parents and visitors, etc. Okay, in same way an operating system also perform various functions to working of a computer system. Okay, then the utility software, right? Utility software is a system software that performs specific tasks related to managing a computer, its devices or its programs. It is designed to help analyze, configure, optimize or maintain a computer. Then the next is language processor. Okay, language processor. Why we use language processor? As a human, we all know many languages. If we can't understand the languages, means if I have a friend like he understand the languages and then he translated the unknown language into my understanding language, means I can't able to understand it. Like so as a human we have language problem, like that a computer also had this problem. Okay, for that computer has three language translators, that is assembler, interpreter and the compiler. Okay, first compiler is a translator that converts user program written in high level language, that is C, C++, Java into a machine language. Interpreter, it performs the same same task as a compiler. Only difference is that compiler converts machine code of a whole program at a time, whereas interpreter converts machine code line by line. Then the next thing is assembler. An assembler is a translator that converts a program written in assembly level language into a machine code that a computer can understand. Then the next is utility software has three types, right? They are backup, then scanning and disk defragmentation. Okay, first backup. Why we use backup? In computer we have lots of data in that. Okay, in computer we have lots of data, and then backup means it making copies of data or data files that can be used to restore the original files if they are lost or damaged. Okay, then we use scanning. It is a process to detect and remove the viruses from the hard disk for efficient working of a computer system. Viruses, that means it is an unwanted data that enters into a computer and disturbs the normal functioning of the operating system. Then defragmentation, it collects all the splitted data and organized it into a specific place in the hard disk. Okay, so when we want to execute a file, means it takes less time to execute it. Okay, then we move on to application software. It has two types, right? They are special purpose and general purpose. Okay, application software has two types, that is special purpose and the general purpose. First, special purpose. This type of application software are designed specially to carry out only one type of a task, that is a specific task. Okay, it is used in banks, schools, hospitals, shops, etc. Then the next is general purpose application software. That is, it can perform many related tasks that these softwares are used widely for all the tasks. Okay, it is an application software developed to serve different purposes of a user. Is said to be general purpose application software. Then the examples are word processor, spreadsheet, media player and the internet explorer. Then here I gave a recapitulation questions. Okay, write it in your classwork. Already I posted a material for the second chapter. Okay, refer that material and write it in your rough note. Okay, write it in your rough note and submit it in GCR. Okay, thank you students.